3 cups of flour, 1 heaping teaspoon of salt. Mix together well. 3 tablespoons of lard. Fight with it and get it in there. Go ahead and mix together the lard, the salt, and the flour well. Nice, just like that. 1 super hot cup of water, the hotter the better. Use a spatula thingy because it's going to be very sticky at first until you have to get your hands in there. Add flour to help you form into a ball if it's sticky. Flour's okay. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes once you got it mixed. Form into smaller balls, rolling them into your hand with your tiny hands and using your tiny thumb to form a little cave in it. Roll out in both directions. This ensures the awkwardly shaped tortilla you are destined to have. Nice. I rolled them all out ahead of time. This yielded 15 flour tortillas. Toast on the griddle. Look at that. Delicious.